Kemiteks Chemistry Company is a manufacturer providing chemical materials and solutions across multiple industries. Its primary products include polymer emulsions, pigment dispersions, and related specialty chemicals, serving applications such as coatings, textile printing and dyeing, and digital inks. Established in 1993, the company possesses a mature production and quality management system, conducts business in international markets, and offers customers stable supply and customized technical support. This project employs the TNA TX7 series fire alarm system to establish a stable, unified fire monitoring and alarm infrastructure. Centered around the TX7004 fire alarm controller, a single unit supports up to 1,016 device connections, facilitating centralized management and future scalability. Front-end detection configurations cover diverse scenarios. The TX70-100 smoke detector is suitable for conventional smoke monitoring in standard areas. The TX70-110 heat detector is designed for environments with significant temperature fluctuations or where smoke detection is impractical. The TX70-130 linear beam smoke detector is optimized for smoke detection in large open spaces. TNA continuously safeguards the fire safety of Kemiteks Chemical Company, ensuring stable production and secure operations for the enterprise.